So now let's come to the risk management in Exponential project and what kind of risk management is happening here is that we have some six suspicious trade and we have both suspicious trade. So what kind of suspicious trade it can be? Like for example, a trade is happening and a user is continuously trading on that, or multiple users are trading on that. So that can be a type of suspicious trade. So that we can just detect it based on some rules that we have defined in this app, and on the basis of that thing, we are checking that this a suspicious trade or not. Okay, so like if the user is continuously trading on that and multiple users are trading on that, so that can be a suspicious thing. So we can block that trade and we can like track the IP address, the location, and everything from that trade. And there, from there, we can just track and block it. So that is the thing that is happening here in our risk management model. Okay, so set suspicious trade, what does it contains? It contains a table that is containing basically the rules. Okay, so the rules can be like there are some rules that is already defined to detect whether a trade is suspicious or not. So there is a condition, there is a level. Okay, so how can we define a level? Define like level can be there must be some options for that. Okay, so here we have the options low, high, and medium, and like what kind of like suspiciousness is showing us, and the points. Like I want to like set the point that which point should come first and which should come last, and this is your priority. That on which condition I am going to like maximize the detection. That like basically if I am using some recalls and everything like here you can just set the rules priority that which rule should execute first according to like while judging for an suspicious trade. Okay, so here we have the status that it's an active trade or an inactive trade. Okay, and from here we are getting back the response, and after that we can just set the suspicious trade, and where here we have this edit rules table. Okay, and here from here we can just update it as well accordingly. And after this, we have the watch suspicious trade. So whichsoever trade is being detected as a suspicious trade, that will be shown in this suspicious table. Okay, that the user ID is what is the user ID, what is the parent ID, like what is the script num on which like script it's happening and it's intraday or not, and the execution date on which date it's executed, and the exchange, trade type, buy price, sell price, and like many things. You can just see like there are a lot of things, and here we have the location as well, like from which location you are detecting it, like which from which location that suspicious trade is happening, and the device ID. We also get the device ID, the device type, whether it's Android or anything. Here we have the IP address that like the IP address of that particular user, and the score and the flag. Okay, and the remark as well, like we are getting. So this is the table that we will get, that which like what are your suspicious rate that will be shown in this table. Okay. So this was all that is related to the suspicious rate, and we can extend it as well while defining our rules, that is set suspicious rate. And here we can like define more rules that on which criteria and on which basis your trade should be marked as suspicious or not. Okay, so that's it.